Today, I am reviewing the Venta LW15 Comfort Plus humidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the Venta LW15 Comfort Plus humidifier for several months now, and it has fundamentally changed how I think about indoor air quality and comfort. When you first see this unit, you might notice that it looks a bit different from the standard humidifiers you find at a local big box store. It has a very sturdy, German-engineered feel to it that suggests it was built to last for years rather than just a single season. The black finish is sleek and professional, but the real magic is in how it operates. Unlike traditional humidifiers that use filters or ultrasonic vibrations to create a visible mist, the Venta uses a natural cold evaporation process. The heart of this machine is a rotating disc stack that turns slowly in a water reservoir. As air is pulled into the unit, it passes over these wet discs and the water evaporates naturally into the room. This is a huge benefit because it is physically impossible to over-humidify a room with this technology. The air only takes as much moisture as it can hold, maintaining a healthy and optimal range of 40 to 60% humidity. I noticed a massive difference in how I felt within the first week of use. I no longer wake up with that dry, scratchy throat or the static electricity that usually plagues my home during the colder months. One of the greatest advantages of the LW15 Comfort Plus is that it is completely filter-free. If you have ever owned a traditional humidifier, you know how expensive and annoying it is to constantly buy and replace gross, moldy filters. With the Venta, the water itself acts as the filter. It naturally reduces pollutants and dust particles from the air as it humidifies, meaning you are breathing much cleaner air without any recurring costs. It is also perfectly safe to use with regular tap water, which saves a lot of money and effort compared to units that require distilled water to avoid white dust on your furniture. The interactive touch display on this Comfort Plus model is incredibly intuitive and helpful. It features a built-in digital hygrostat that shows you the current relative humidity in your room in real time. I particularly love the auto mode. You can set your target humidity level, and the machine will adjust its fan speed automatically to maintain that environment. This means I can just fill it up and forget about it, knowing the machine is doing the thinking for me. When I am ready for bed, the sleep mode is a lifesaver. It dims the screen and drops the fan to its lowest, whisper quiet setting so it doesn't disturb my rest while still keeping the air comfortable throughout the night. In terms of coverage, this unit is rated for up to 375 square feet. I have mine in a bedroom that opens into a hallway, and it does a fantastic job of keeping that entire area feeling fresh. Venta recommends running it on the highest speed for the first week or so to fully prime the environment, and I found that advice to be spot on. Once the room reaches that sweet spot of 50% humidity, the machine works efficiently to keep it there. Cleaning is surprisingly simple because the unit comes apart easily. Since there are no filters to rot, you just need to rinse the reservoir and the disc stack occasionally. It is a very low-maintenance solution for a very high-quality result. If you're tired of replacing cheap humidifiers every year or dealing with a mess and expensive filters, the Venta LW15 Comfort Plus is an investment that truly pays off in terms of health, comfort, and peace of mind. It provides a natural, clean, and consistent humidification that makes my home feel significantly more livable every single day. It is a reliable and well-designed tool that I now consider an essential part of my home setup.